Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So in the last video we have seen how to update the geolocation of browser by using the cdp command which has been introduced in Selenium 4. But now in this video we can see how to update the geolocation by directly through the devtool commands. Okay, so this is let me show you the last program which we have created. So this was we have done by using the cdp command. Okay, which is a part of Selenium 4, but now we do this directly from the Devtools. Okay, so this is a blank class, and just wanted to explain you what we are trying to do. So if you see, there is a website here, okay, and it gives us the geolocation of my current location where I am. So if I click on where I am, it will give me the latitude and longitude of this location. Okay, and if I click on see it on Google, it will give me the map of Google and it show me where my exact address is. So right now you can see it's written Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, right? So this is what my geolocation is showing right now. Okay, but there are some needs. Sometime when we are testing a website, we have to test a website as of different region. Maybe some website we need to test from US, some website we need to test from other region like New Zealand, Australia, and from there we need to see if our website is working fine or not, or if some particular module is working fine or not from that particular location, because there can be different servers who are hosting our websites which is located across region. Okay, so this kinds of situation we can test it out. What we can do, we can emulate our location to be a different location than where I am currently. So I can emulate my location to US, I can emulate my location to any other place. Okay, so right now it gave me my current location, but I can emulate the different location by the use of Devtools. So let's see how do we do that. Okay, so if you see that this is a blank class, and here first I need to initialize my WebDriver. Okay, so for initializing a WebDriver, we have two lines of code which we always write. One is WebDriver manager.chromedriver.setup. So let me write that. WebDriver manager.chromedriver. So I'm writing Chrome driver because I want to run it on the Chrome, and then I can just initialize my driver using WebDriver driver. Okay, it's capital V. So it's WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, so I have initialized it, and now I can either first go ahead and do the configuration, or I can even open the website. It doesn't matter. So I will open the website which I have, which is driver.get. Okay, and in this website I will give this URL of the website of the geolocation. Okay, so this is just a demo website, but you can use that into your applications, into your application website. You can give the URL of that. Okay, and now I need to initialize my devtool class. So for that I will write devtools. Okay, and variable devtools. Okay, make it sure in devtools we have T as capital, and then devtools again equal to. So to initialize a devtool class, I need to cast. Okay, I need to cast my driver into the Chrome driver. Okay, because this the method which initialize is already available in my Chrome driver, but I need to cast it. Okay, so for casting I will just write Chrome driver. Okay, so that would be inside driver. Okay, so my driver is cast now, and I can put a dot and I can get a method get devtools. Okay, so I have explained this reason earlier also. I am only able to get this get devtools method when I am casting my driver into the Chrome driver. The reason is the method is there in the Chrome driver, but my driver instance is not able to see that method because I am taking a reference of a WebDriver here. Okay, and WebDriver has just a limited methods. It does not have all the methods which as Chrome driver has, and that is the reason this variable, which is of type WebDriver, can only see the things which are available in WebDriver. So if you go to WebDriver interface, you can see there is get, okay, there is current URL, there's get title, right? Everything is there, find element is there, but we don't have that other method which we're using, get Devtools. But Chrome driver, which is extending the Chromium driver, that has the implementation of this. So if you search here, get Devtools, okay, sorry, get Devtools, and if you go Chromium driver, so see the implementation is here. So that's mean my Chrome driver, which is extending Chromium driver, has the implementation of get Devtools, but my web driver does not does not contain any kind of a method mentioned here. So that is the reason my driver is not able to see it. And for my driver able to see that get Devtools methods, I need to cast my driver into the Chrome driver. Okay. Okay, so now we have initialized our driver DevTool class, and we have to now create a session with our DevTools. Okay, so I will give DevTools dot create session. So this will initialize and create a session for the DevTools, and now I can give the command for the DevTools. So the command will be DevTools dot send. So any command which we give in the DevTools happens from the send command. Okay, now to update the emulator, there is a class called emulation. Okay, it's EMULA, emulation, right? So emulation and dot, when you give, there is a method which comes at set geolocation override. Okay, and let's choose this, and now you will see there are certain things I need to give. First is I need to give latitude, longitude, and accuracy. Okay, so I can give any latitude, longitude, accuracy. So I can just take one sample. So there is a latitude which I have already written down, which is of a different location in India. So this latitude is from the Jaipur location. Okay, so let me give that. If you want to find out, somewhere that what is the latitude, longitude, maybe you can just go to Google Map. Okay, and let's see in Google Map, and let me find out Jaipur, Rajasthan. Okay, so if when you click on that, it will find out Jaipur for you, and it will give latitude here 26.8854479 and longitude as 75.6504695 in the URL also. Okay, so you can just copy this also. I can just copy this. Okay, Control C. So okay, one more thing. If you see there, I need to give optional keyword here. It says that set geolocation override is a method which is accepting a variable or a parameter which has the optional value also defined. So this optional is one of the class which has been introduced in Selenium 8 to tackle the situation of null pointer exception. Okay, so I will just write here optional. It should be PTIONAL dot, and then there should be 2. Sorry, it should be off. Okay, and here I need to give the value. So I will give this value. So this is done. So first thing is done, right? Now again I need to give the longitude. So again I will write optional dot off, and then again I need to give the longitude. So let's see. So longitude was 75, right? Let me copy this. Okay, so this is also done. Now let's give one more comma, and now I need to give a second one, which is the accuracy. So accuracy is also important when we are giving the geolocation. So I will give accuracy of 100 here. Okay, so this has been done also. So I have just done that, and now what I want to do, once I have opened this website, I have updated the location, I need to click on this where I am, just to make sure my geolocation has been converted. Okay, so I will just find an XPath of that so that I can click on that. So its XPath will be, it's a button on click where I am. Okay, and there is an ID of paragraph demo, So there's an ID demo and then there's a button there. Okay, so maybe we can create one XPath here. So I can write paragraph ID equal to demo. Okay, it should be p @ID equal to demo. Okay, so I have found that, and now I can just give button. Okay, so maybe this is, it's not inside paragraph, it is inside div, which is a class example. Let me see. Okay, so let me just give here div class equal to example. Div class equal to example. Let me see. Okay, and now under that I want to give button. Okay, see, now I'm able to find it through this XPath. So I will just copy this XPath. Okay, and here I will just simply do driver dot find element and by dot XPath, and here I can give the XPath, and then I will do dot click. Okay, so that's it, and after that it should be show me my updated location. So just to prove that we are updating the location, what I will do right now, so first let me try without running any program. When I click where I am, it gives me the latitude and longitude, and if I click on see it on Google, it will give me a map. Okay, it will give me a map. It show me Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad. Okay, and when I'm running the program, it will open the website, update the geolocation. If we click on where I am, and then we need to click on see it on Google. Maybe we can click on this too, just to make sure we are getting a map, right? So it's div id map link, and then under that there's a hyperlink. So if we see its XPath, it would be div id map link. Okay, so it should be div id equal to map link. Okay, and under that it's a this is a link. Okay, so let me give this also there. Driver dot find element XPath dot click. Okay, so right now if I do without any program, I'm able to reach out to the location, which is Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad. Okay, now let's see what location does it gives us when we just run the program. Okay, okay, so you can see now when the program has run, I am able to, the current location which I am getting is Rajasthan. Okay, so Jaipur, Rajasthan. So this is the current location which I am getting right now. So that's mean our program has worked and it has updated my geolocation, and this time we are just using one line of code to do that. And earlier what we have done to do the same thing when I was using CDP command, first we have created a map where we have given latitude, longitude, accuracy, and then I have used execute CDP command, and there I have given this command emulation.set geolocation override, and here I have given parameter.build. So this is one way through which we have done that earlier, and right now we are doing it through Devtools directly. Okay, so basically Devtools, when we call this command, it is actually calling the CDP command inside. Okay, but here we are directly calling the CDP command, and here we are calling through the Devtools. Okay, so these are two ways through which we can update our geolocation. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.